Hello everyone. In this video lecture I am going to discuss uninterruptible power supply, that is called UPS. UPS is very popular, known to all of you. Now let us see how UPS is useful for day-to-day life. An uninterruptible power supply, that is UPS, is defined as a piece of electrical equipment which can be used as an immediate power source to the connected load when there is any failure in the main input power source. As you know, it is also used as a backup source. Frequently you can see in your personal computer there is a UPS, and in this video lecture we just talk about that very popular famous UPS. So in any type of main input power source failure, the work of UPS is immediately going to be start. In a UPS, the energy is generally stored in flywheels, batteries or supercapacitors. Out of these three, most of the UPS are battery dependent, means the energy is stored in the batteries. When compared to other immediate power supply system, UPS have the advantage of immediate protection against the input power interruptions. It has very short on battery runtime. However, this time is enough to safely shut down the connected apparatus like your computers, telecommunication equipment, etc., or to switch on a standby power source. The UPS can also be used as protective device for some hardware which can cause serious damage or loss with a sudden power disruption. Uninterruptible power source, battery backup and flywheel backup are the other names which are generally used for UPS in the market. There is a very large range for the UPS. You can see the lowest commercially available UPS is 200 volt ampere VA, which is used for personal computers, solo computers, to several large units up to 46 mega volt amperes. So in a very wide varieties, very wide range, UPS are available, commercially available in the market for various type of devices. The prime role of UPS is when there any failure in main power source, it will supply the power for a short time. In addition to the main role, it can also able to correct some general power problems related to utility services in varying degrees. The problems that can be corrected are voltage spike, noise, quick reduction in input voltage, any type of harmonic distortion, and the instability of frequency in mains. So apart from the prime work, that is backup work for your devices like your computer devices, it will fulfill various types of intermediate work which is used to correct the input voltage source. Types of UPS. Generally, the UPS system is categorized into online UPS, offline UPS, and line interactive UPS. Many other designs include standby, online, hybrid, standby, ferro, delta conversion, online, etc. are available in market, but from the syllabus point of view, broadly we can categorize the UPS in two types. The first is online UPS and the second is offline UPS.